The Reseal kit we're using today came from FridayParts. They sponsored today's video and they sent us this entire Reseal kit for a Caterpillar 3208. Now this Reseal kit looks really complete, which is awesome. We got a full pack of seals here. This looks like everything we'll need for that injection pump. I didn't expect the Reseal kit to come with these retainers. So this is for the exhaust manifold bolts, all the little clips to stop them from spinning loose. We got our front main seal, we got our rear main seal, and we got a bunch of valve seals. And the ones that are leaking quite a bit are rocker cover seals. And this little seal, I'm not sure what this is, maybe for that throttle shaft on the injection pump, which would be great because that one is leaking and they always leak. Those 3208 injection pumps are so leaky. A whole bunch of these gaskets. Looks like we got oil cooler. I don't even know how many of these I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna address the things that are really leaking. This looks like those intake manifold gaskets here, and that's a crankcase breather. Get into it. I'm glad we got these because now that we got those turbos on there, I really want to reseal that intake manifold to exhaust manifold gaskets. A couple copper crush washers. I'm assuming at least one of them's for the oil drain plug. And then here we have our entire oil pan gasket, which is great because that oil pan gasket is leaking. Looks like a front cover seal and a rear cover seal. And then we have two head gaskets. Look at those. Those are freaking huge. Well, that didn't help. We're just gonna clean up all the gasket surfaces and then new gaskets and seal everything back up. This Reseal kit came with absolutely every gasket and O-ring I could need for this entire engine, but honestly I'm not even digging into it that deep. But the kit costs less than just one OEM gasket, so it's definitely way more worth the while to go and buy an entire Reseal kit. So maybe some of you can learn from my mistakes and not over tighten your oil pan gasket. And this goes for oil pans, rocker covers, transmission pans. All of them commonly get over torqued and then they leak because it just squishes the seal out. And before I forget, I'm gonna put the brand new copper washer on the drain plug and tighten that guy down.